तो राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल्स, राउटिंग एल्गोरिथम को हम लोग लास्ट लेक्चर से देख रहे हैं। तो राउटिंग एल्गोरिथम में बेसिकली प्रोएक्टिव, रिएक्टिव और हाइब्रिड कैटेगरीज में एल्गोज आती हैं। इसमें प्रोएक्टिव में डीएसडीबी, जीएसआर, रिएक्टिव में डीएसआर, एओडीबी और हाइब्रिड में जेआर। इन जो ये एग्जांपल हम लोग के कोर्स में है, इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी एल्गो हैं, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 22 4 एल्गो या मेथड्स कह सकते हैं जो कि राउटिंग में प्रोसेस में इन्वॉल्व होती हैं एडॉक मोबाइल नेटवर्क के अंदर। तो प्रोएक्टिव में हम लोगों ने देखा था डीएसडीबी को। इससे पहले डीएसडीबी प्रोटोकॉल जो थी, डीएसडीबी प्रोटोकॉल के अंदर डिस्टेंस सीक्वेंस, डिस्टेंस वेक्टर राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल बोलते हैं। ये एक तरह की प्रोएक्टिव राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल है। इस बेसिकली इससे पहले जो डिस्टेंस वेक्टर राउटिंग एल्गोरिथम नेटवर्किंग में यूज की जाती है, जिसमें कि बेलमंट फोर्ड एल्गोरिथम फॉर पाथ सिलेक्शन को यूज किया जाता है। उसमें हर नोड पे हम लोग ऑप्टिमम पाथ सेलेक्ट करते हैं। जो नेटवर्किंग में बेसिकली जो प्रीवियसली वेक्टर राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल यूज की गई, उसमें इन्हेंसमेंट लाया गया और उसको मोबाइल नेटवर्क में यूज किया गया। तो उस नई वाली एक्सटेंडेड प्रोटोकॉल को डिस्टेंस सीक्वेंस, डिस्टेंस वेक्टर राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल कहते हैं। क्यों एक्सटेंड किया गया? क्योंकि जो वेक्टर राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल थी उसमें इनफाइनाइट काउंटिंग की, नंबर ऑफ काउंट फॉर द इंफिनिटी, ये प्रॉब्लम जनरेट होती है। इस प्रॉब्लम को वहां पे दूर किया गया। टू इंफिनिटी प्रॉब्लम को रिमूव किया गया, जो कि नॉर्मल नेटवर्क में इस तरह के डिस्टेंस राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल में जनरेट होती थी, अकर होती थी। तो डिस्टेंस सीक्वेंस नंबर को इसमें बार बार ऐड किया गया, जिससे राउटिंग टेबल अपडेट किए गए हर नोड पे, और राउटिंग टेबल को प्रॉपर्ली अपडेट करते गए, और जिससे कि ये इसकी वर्किंग को चेंज किया गया। उसमें जो प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी कि काउंट टू इन्फिनिटी प्रॉब्लम इन द नॉर्मल नेटवर्क, उस प्रॉब्लम को दूर किया गया। कैसे दूर किया गया? इसमें राउटिंग टेबल को इंक्रीज किया गया पर नोड पे। कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि मोबाइल एडॉक नेटवर्क ईच एंड एवरी नोड बिहेव लाइक ए राउटर। नेक्स्ट, इस को हम लोग ने पिछले उसमें देखा था। आज हम लोग को देखना है नेक्स्ट जीएसआर। जी proactive protocol. It also maintain the routing table for each and every node. GB and it the DSDB is enhanced version of distance vector routing protocol in the simple normal network connections. As far as GSR, global state routing protocol concerned, that it based on it also again in category of a proactive protocol. It maintain the routing table in each and every node. In the GSR, it also follows the all features of proactive protocol. Actually, the GSR global state routing protocol is enhanced version of link state routing protocol. It is the enhanced version of link state routing protocol, which is based on Dijkstra routing algorithm. This is the difference between the DSR and DSDB. GSR and DSDB. The question arises that the comparison between the GSR and DSDB, both are belong to the category of proactive protocol, and how they differ. They differ that the DSDB based on distance routing, distance vector routing protocol in the normal network. For further enhancement in the normal distance routing protocol and eliminating the problem of count to infinity problem. In the GSR, it is based on link state routing. Link state routing protocol in a wired network or a normal network. Basically, it based on the disaster algorithm. It is again a difference. The DSDB based on the Bellman-Ford algorithm for path selection, and GSR based on the disaster routing algorithm. In the link state routing protocol, the link state routing protocol is not suitable for the mobile network. It's widely used in wired network, but in the mobile network, it is not directly implemented on link state routing protocol. The reason behind it that each node floods the link state routing information directly into the whole network. In the link state routing protocol, the routing table, routing information flooded over the each and every node, whole the network. The global flooding, which may lead to the congestion of the control. If each and every node flooded the routing information over the network, then global flooded information may generate the congestion. Like DSDB generate the count to infinity problem in the mobile network, and the GSR generate the congestion problem due to the global flooding of the routing information over the network. The solution, the further enhancement in the link state protocol uh, maintained in the global state routing protocol GSR. मैं ग्लोबल स्टेट राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल को शेयर कर रहा हूँ. Yes, the global state routing protocol. Now, today's topic is this protocol, working of this protocol. As we know that the global state routing is based on fundamental concept of link state routing protocol in the normal network. In the link state LSR, the link state routing protocol, each and every node flooded the disseminate the routing information over the network. One of the node floods out a single routing table information to its neighbor. Those neighbors floods out the table for the nodes, and the information flooded over the neighboring node, and also that particular neighboring node flooded that information for the other all the network flooded same information. This process continues to take place until the routing the information suppose come from this node, and it send the routing information to the neighboring node, all the neighboring nodes T, Y, Z. And if they are not the destination node, then these nodes are also flood the given information to the other nodes. Okay. Due to this, the single information flooded throughout the network. As the node increases, the node increases, the congestion problem generated in the link state routing protocol in the normal network. Due to this reason, this link state routing protocol not directly implemented in the mobile ad hoc network as it is normal form. It generates the congestion problem. The picture shows that in the first node, node table 1 X, if node X want to send the information for the destination, want to establish the connection between the destination node, and firstly it sends the information among all its neighboring node. It sends the information in all its neighboring node, and their neighboring nodes, if they are destination is found, then okay. If destination is not found, then again it send that information to the again further neighboring node. In the global state routing protocol, certain enhancement made in this link state protocol, because it generates the congestion problem in mobile dot network. For eliminating the congestion problem in the mobile dot network, certain changes in normal link state protocol. What are the changes? The routing table of a particular node is broadcasted. Information is not sent over all the nodes. Only the neighboring node receive that particular information. Then initial table of those neighboring nodes are integrated. And after the receiving information sender, the table information updated. And the updated, what is the updation? The node is a destination node or a not destination node. If the destination node, then connection established. If not destination node, then it update the table information and again broadcast that particular node information, routing information to the another level, another neighboring node, one by one. This process continue take place until the all nodes are broken. This is step by step process. Repeat until the destination node found. If again next level the destination node not found, then table updated their routing information. Each table updated the routing information, send the next level until the destination not found. The label by label updation reduces the congestion problem in a mobile dot network. In this manner, we show this link state protocol. X, if suppose that we have X, T, S, B, Y, Z are the nodes in the network. Then the table information maintained by the single node, and this table information send the other neighboring the X send the other neighboring node. And if the these nodes are not destination node, then send other nodes. They are not changing the information of the table in normal link state routing algorithm. But in the global state routing protocol, as we see in the picture, the table information of X send over the neighboring node, and if the neighboring nodes are not destination node, they also update the table information. They also update the table information, and this updated table information send another node. This is the level by level updation of the table on each node is the implementation of global state routing protocol in the link state routing protocol. What are the information of the routing table? The three major information given in the routing table. In the GSR protocol, three major tables are maintained for the node form. First table is destination table. The destination table, as the name suggests, that the table contains the destination node, the name of the destination, who is the receiver of that particular information. Destination node table is the table which contains the destination or receiver node information, the node number and destination address. This is the destination table. Next, the table which maintained by in the GSR are known as topology table. Topology table, this table contains the information of the link history data along with the sequence number. the sequence number. The system already assigned the particular sequence number for each and every node. The sequence number and link state with the sequence number, which can be used to determine when the information is updated last. And this sequence number show that the information comes from which node to another node. The node number, link state, and sequence number. And this is the topology table. The third table which you maintain in the GSR algorithm is next hop table. Next hop table. In the next hop table, the forthcoming, the coming node, the nearest node, on which the information sent over the next procedure, next level. The next hop table will contain the information about the immediate neighboring node. How we find the immediate neighboring node? The immediate neighboring node find with the information of the next hop table. The next hop table contains the node and next hop, two informations. These three tables maintain and updated each and every node in the GSR. First is the distance table, topology table, next hop table. Okay. In GSR, how it's work? The working of the GSR protocol in the GSR method. GSR product broadcasts the routing table to its immediate neighbor. GSR broadcasts the routing information. What are the routing table information? These are the routing table information. Topology table, next hop table, distance. These are the routing table information. And these routing table information are updated. Firstly, it send the sender, original sender, as we see in the picture, that X is sender of the information. GSR broadcasts the routing table information to its immediate neighbor. This is the main crux of point. This is the change of algo, updation of the algo. In previous link state algo in the normal networking, it is not happen. The information sent over the all is network neighboring node. Each and every node access the information, and if it is not the receiver, then it again send the information. Again sending the information. They are not updating any type of information. But while in the GSR, the routing table is send the information, routing information. The routing information are distance table, topology table, next hop table, and these information send the immediate neighbor. And this it is not flooded to all the nodes like the linked state node. Linked state routing protocol, they flooded all the information to all the node equally throughout the network. But in the GSR, only neighboring node are received the information. So the number of the network is reduced. Congestion is reduced as compared to the linked state routing protocol. Again, if the receiver next process is after sending the information routing information to the neighboring node, the neighboring node checks that is it the destination node. If it is the destination node, then it establishes the connection and receive the packet. And if it is not destination node, updates the routing table information. Update the routing table information. This is again updation of the link state routing protocol. In the link state routing protocol, no updation took place on the nodes. But in the GSR, if node is not receiver, then it updates the table corresponding. In our example, here we suppose that 4 nodes are available in the network. 4 nodes are available. Each cover in the 1 unit distance. This is the distance vector 1 1 1 written on the edge of the graph. In the GSR, first step is for the node X. Firstly, 3 tables as mentioned above. What are the tables are? These tables are topology table, distance table, next hop table. Then these 3 tables are maintained over the X. X maintain all 3 tables. How? X, Y, Z, T. These are the nodes name, Link state, previously no link state, no further previous information coming. Sequence, topology table, next hop table, distance table. These tables are maintained. Next hop table, x to x, okay, x to y, x to y, x to z, x to y, no connection is available. If there is no direct connection, then the number is -1. If there is a no direct connection, then there is -1. Z also, x to internet, z -1, t -1. Initially the values are -1. Distance table, from x to no distance covered till x, y infinity, y infinity, z infinite, t infinite. This is the x initial state table. As we say that these are the default values of the tables, because x is the origin, sender of the information. So that information are not uh, written over here. It is the default information for that particular sender node. Secondly, broadcasting of all the table will be done to all the immediate neighbor. These information of the table send only the neighboring node. In our example, who is the neighbor of x? Y? No, y is not neighbor of x. T is the neighbor of x and z is the neighbor of x. Y and z. Y and z are x, y, z. The neighbors of x, y and z. Z is the neighbor, and yt, xyt, xyt updated. The information are, the tables are updated over that particular. T and Z also, both, each and every table update that information. Once done all the node xyz t, this is the table information for the all xyz, like x0, y1, z1, x2. X to z1, x to z1, 1, x to t1, x to t1, 1, x to y, no link, 0, x to y, 0, 0, and z is z to there is no link to z further, then it is infinite, infinity. This is the distance table. Now next swap table, which gives the neighboring information, x to x. It may be possible from x to x, no change, state change. To y, z to z, t from t is a -1. Topology table, yz are links, yz are links, yz are links. If they're supposed to send to the path, and then this is the links. Y नो लिंक, z xt, अगर z पे जाना है x से, x z पर t y z, या डायरेक्टली z से जा सकते हैं, x t और t कोई नहीं, सीक्वेंस नंबर इन्होंने 1 दे दिया। इसी तरह से x y z की टेबल अपडेट की जाएगी, सारी की गई, और हर ऑपरेशन में ये टेबल अपडेट की जाएंगी तीनों, जितने भी नोड होंगे। जैसे यहाँ पे अब फिर से दोबारा क्या हुआ नेक्स्ट स्टेप में कि ब्रॉडकास्टिंग टोपोलॉजी टेबल x विल नेबरिंग नोड y z, फिर से वही x y z के लिए, फिर से y के लिए इन्होंने टेबल बनाया, z के लिए बनाया। इस तरह से जब तक डेस्टिनेशन मिलता नहीं जाएगा तब तक आपकी टेबल हर उसमें अपडेट होती रहती है, रिपीटेशन प्रोसेस। तो अब इतना मुझे लगता है कि इतनी लेवल पे तो न्यूमेरिकल नहीं आनी चाहिए, बस कॉन्सेप्ट आना चाहिए। एडवांटेज क्या है जीएसआर का? highly accuracy of GSR in the generating optimal path as compared to नॉर्मल वायर्ड नेटवर्क में जो आपका लिंक स्टेट राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल थी उससे ये काफी हाईएस्ट एक्यूरेसी हायर है, कंजेशन नहीं होता है इसमें. ब्रॉडकास्टिंग reduces the error rate as compared to flooding usually. In GSR, broadcasting of the routing information follow. In link state routing protocol in normal for the normal cluster connection, flooding of the information. So this is as compared less error generated. Disadvantage of a GSR: large bandwidth consumption. These information are updated each and every step. So for this purpose, large bandwidth consumption, higher operational cost, each and every step we maintain the 3 tables, distance, next, topology, and this maintenance for only 4 node we maintain this 12 table. Suppose in the network there are many number of nodes, then as compared this is more complex. So higher operational costs, a large massive size resulting in the more time consumption. If the number of node increases, then this protocol is not beneficial. So more time consumption required. GSR and